Hi guys, this is Jingu here. Quick disclaimer really quick. This has a lot of violence in it. This has vulgar language in it. If you do not want to listen to this, if it makes you uncomfortable, if it is a triggering thing for you, please click off of the video. You have been warned. Again, this is only a concept teaser to fully demonstrate what I'm currently working on. This is one of the characters going to be in this project. Please enjoy, and I hope you have a good day. Bye bye. Please get away from me! Come on! I just want to play surgery! You're a psychopath, I tell you! A damn psychopath! Keep running, little piggy! The forest cannot save you tonight! I see you! Come back! No, please, no, please, no, please, no, please, no. Please. Don't kill me, please, don't kill me. No. Let me think about it. No. Stay away from me. Answer my question nicely, and then I'll think of letting you go. You know who sent me to kill you. No! I don't know. I don't know. They want me dead anyway. No. I said myself to kill you for attempting to sell our information for money. Don't! Please. Stabby, stabby, stabby. Stabby, stabby, stabby. Stabby, stabby, stabby.